Dear National Defence Academy aspirants, you are most welcome to join Armed Forces Preparatory School Karamalai. We are offering National Defence Academy entrance examination crash course. This course starts on June 6th. It is completely a residential coaching which will guide you to face the National Defence Academy entrance exam. We also have NDA exam preparation starting from class 11 and 12th. It's a special NDA entrance program along with class 10th. Most welcome to visit our academy. Armed Forces Preparatory School is in the vicinity of Coimbatore and inside the Vidya Vikash School campus. We have the first batch commencing on 6th June 2022. Get benefit, join Army, Jai Hind.